How to check other viewers on Facebook story. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to check other viewers on Facebook story. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged in, and now tap on the menu button on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the settings icon you see on the top right of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on the search icon on the top right and then tap on the search bar and search for story there. You will then be shown with all the settings related to story. Find the who can see your stories option and tap on that. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the drop down you see there and select the public option. What this does is it allows users to see those people who viewed your story. Not only just your friends, rather, who view your story, but also those other people who aren't your friends and is also showed under your story viewers as others when you have the story viewer settings set to public. So this is how you can check other viewers on Facebook story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.